If your fridge is a little too full from Thanksgiving feasts today, there's a place you can bring your leftovers that gives back to the community. KVUE's Malia Masamoto takes us there.
I don't really have anyone that I'm spending the holiday with, so I just decided to spend my time doing what I could.
For Mallory Valentine,
Feeding people is kind of one of my labors of love.
and on this holiday,
I just roasted up like a turkey breast and made a couple of little sides that might show up on a Thanksgiving table.
she brought more than a dozen Thanksgiving meals to one of the ATX Free Fridges.
I almost always make too much of something, and it's very easy to like pack some of it up and drop it off at one of the free fridges.
It's a mutual aid project run completely by volunteers. There's 5 fridges across Austin, and they're 100% free and open to the community 24/7.
Oh, just all the Thanksgiving stuff.
Allie Holder tries to drop food off a couple times a month at one of the fridges.
I just always, anytime we have anything left over, just bring some. It's really easy to just like pack up leftovers and label what they are, like any allergens, and like when, you put them in the fridge.
And she brought a familiar favorite today.
Enjoy. The pumpkin pie is real good.
For many like Valentine, it's an easy way to give back.
I have 2 kids and a full-time job, and it makes it hard to like get out and help the community, but it's just like a simple way to do that.
And to open the door to more kindness this time of year.
And I think that like around the holidays can be really happy times for some people, and also are like really sad times, and like small comforts mean something.
In Austin, Malia Masamoto, KVUE News.
And you don't have to sign up to bring food. You can just go to any of the 5 locations and drop it off. The locations are listed there on your screen right now. They're spread out across town, including one in West Campus on Pearl Street, in South Austin at the corner of Ditmar and South First, as well as one in North Austin at Koenig Lane behind Brentwood Social House. There are some guidelines to follow you can find online. We have a link to it from this story at our website, KVUE.com. You can also sign up to clean one of the fridges.